Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm JohnAvanti. What I'm doing is I'm making burgers with a burger press. We got New York knishes right here. Check these babies out. These go in the toaster oven. So you just take some hamburger, right? So this pack of meat costs $14. You gotta press it a little bit, throw it in the burger maker, press it down. Then you take this press, give it a good squeeze, and then just take off the excess. Like that. You got the burger. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's make one more. Now you can make these thinner too if you want, but this is gonna shrink down to nothing. Just put it in the patty, push it out, press down. So you want to get all the edges, just push it. Bam, look at that, beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys.